We're out in the greenhouse today. It's right around 90. The fans have kicked off and on. We're finally getting some sun. It's been about a week of rain, I guess. Show you what we got going on. I've been in the middle of vehicle repair. I had the solenoid go out on our Polaris Ranger. I had a starter problem on my daughter's Silverado, and yeah, just the gifts that keep on giving. Anyway, started getting the hydroponics rack set up, and next will be hanging these drain pipes, and again getting back into dry fitting everything, and then we'll do sections at a time. We won't set it all up at once. I want to get a section up and running and see how everything works before I commit to this whole bay. This whole bay will be full. Rack on this side, rack on that side, and also in the warm room right now, we've got Roma tomatoes starting to come on the plants. Don't know how well you'll be able to see the garlic is germinated. It's all up. Might be able to see it a little better out here in the rose. Still has a little bit of sun on it. And the strawberries, they're continuing to survive the little cold snaps. The root sets have brought on some new leaves, and the plugs, some of the freeze frost got the leaf sets, but then new ones are coming out behind it, which they should do. So everything's going as expected there. Last 8 days, 8 or 9 days, I guess it's been, we had 2 significant rain events. The first one was about 5 inches, and then the last 2 days we've had about another 4. It completely filled that feed bucket up with rainwater from just the last 8 days. So we've had our share. I think the day after tomorrow we're supposed to get some more. Let me walk up here real quick and show you what we're planting. I got some local peaches this season that we really liked. Becky made some peach jam. It's really popular, and always looking kind of forward. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start a little small peach orchard up here on this hill. We got some fig trees we're gonna transplant up here as well. Probably gonna put them somewhere up in there. That's north, and so that'll help block any cold front north winds, which fig trees typically like to have that shielding. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this area and we're gonna mark out and row out. Of course, we gotta watch out for all of our different utilities, which have been marked. And we're probably gonna put about 15 or 20 peach trees, a little small peach orchard out in here. It'll be 4 years before we can start gathering fruit. But always got to keep looking ahead with what are you going to bring to the market table next.
As always, thank you for watching.